evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Can I have your mark sheet, please?
Here you go.
Okay. Now, what's morning?
My name's Anh, but you can call me Annie.
Alright. What about you?
My name,
What's morning?
my name is Nadling, but you can call me Chemistry.
Okay. Now, Annie, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in that room near the Tucson City.
Okay. What about you?
Uh,
Where do you live?
I live in that room near Tucson City.
Okay. Now, let's talk about friends. Annie, how do you usually spend time with your friends?
I always spend time with my friends to chatting online and go out with them.
Okay. How often do you see your friends?
I always see my friend twice a week when I go to Australia.
Oh, okay. What about you, chemistry? What is your best friend like?
My best friend like math and study with classmates.
Where did you meet your best friend?
Can you repeat that?
Where did you meet your best friend? Where did you meet your best friend?
I usually meet my friends at school every day.
Mhm. Where did you meet her? Did you meet her at Ocean?
Yes, I usually twice a week.
Okay. Now, uh, Annie, tell me something about your friend.
My friends study food. She's very beautiful. She's friendly and talkative.
Okay. Now let's talk about films. Okay. So, Annie again. What kind of films do you like best?
I like cartoon films because it's very funny
Mm-hmm.
and helps me relax when I feel stressed after
Okay.
school.
When do you watch film?
I always watch film when I have dinner and after I go to bed.
Before you go to bed.
I'm very school.
Okay. What about you, chemistry? How often do you go to the cinema?
After locating cinema if they have a new film.
Okay. So where do you usually watch film?
I usually watch the film at home and in my phone.
Okay. Now, chemistry. Tell me something about who you watch films with.
I always watch film with my brother because he always uh talk with me about the films and he very good at it.
Okay. Now let's move to part two. In this part, you're going to talk together. Here are some pictures that show you places in town. Okay? Which of these places in town do you prefer? Say why or why not. Say that again. Which of these places in town do you prefer? Please say why or why not. Okay? Now you talk together.
Do you think libraries are useful? Yes, I think it's fun because I can read many books and have and chat and I can study with my classmates at school. Uh, do you think a park is a nice place to visit? I think park is nice place to visit because I can play with my friends and read book play with them. What about you? Do you think an airport is interesting place? And I think it's no because I don't like I like in wow in I love KSI in you have many people around me. Mm, Uh, do you think um, do you enjoy going to the cafe with your friends? Yes, I do because I think it's very useful because I can study and talk with my friends.
Okay. So, chemistry and Annie, which of these places in town do you like best? Annie first.
I like to go to the museum best because I like history. I want to learn about history, Vietnam,
Okay.
Vietnam history.
What about you, chemistry? Which of these pictures or places in town do you like best?
I like school best because I can meet my friends and have answer about the question I don't know with my teacher.
Thank you. Now, let's go to the last part. Okay. So, Annie, do you prefer meeting your friends in a park or at a cafe?
I, in my opinion, I prefer meeting my friends at school
In a
because,
park or at a cafe?
uh, in my opinion, I prefer meeting my friends in a cafe because we can share and learn something together.
Okay. What about you, chemistry? Do you prefer meeting your friends in a park or at a cafe?
I prefer meet my friends at the park because we can play many games, and we can talk together, uh, many times.
Now, Annie, which is more fun to visit, a library or a museum?
I think go to the museum is more more fun because we can learn about history of the world.
Okay. What about you, Ken?
I think uh,
Which is more fun to visit, library or a museum?
in my opinion, I think library is more fun because my library is very fun and I can concentrate in my study.
Okay. That is the end of our speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you.